Hello, wanderlust souls. Today we embark on a vibrant journey to explore the best scenery in Malaysia. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia is a land of enchanting diversity. It's a melting pot of cultures, where the old world charm of Malay, Chinese, Indian and European influences seamlessly blend with the new world's modernity. As we traverse through this tropical paradise, you'll soon discover that it's not just the cultural diversity that's captivating, but also the country's rich biodiversity, which is truly a feast for the senses. Stretching from the azure blue waters of the South China Sea to the towering peaks of Mount Kinabalu, Malaysia's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. From sun-kissed beaches fringed with swaying coconut palms to ancient rainforests humming with life, each corner of this country unveils a new scenic wonder. Unspoiled and teeming with exotic wildlife, Malaysia's natural beauty is the stuff of dreams for nature lovers and adventurers alike. But the allure of Malaysia doesn't stop at its natural wonders. The country is also home to a myriad of man-made marvels, from the gleaming skyscrapers of Kuala Lumpur to the charming heritage buildings of Georgetown. Each city in Malaysia has its own unique charm and character, offering a stunning contrast of old and new, tradition and innovation, all against a backdrop of breathtaking landscapes. The true beauty of Malaysia, however, lies in its ability to surprise and enchant you at every turn. Whether you're exploring the labyrinthine streets of its bustling cities, sailing along its tranquil rivers, or trekking through its verdant jungles, Malaysia never fails to leave an indelible impression. It's a land that invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty, to lose yourself in its allure, and to discover the countless treasures it has to offer. So as we set off on this journey to explore the best of Malaysia's sceneries, prepare to be enchanted by its diverse landscapes, captivated by its cultural richness, and enthralled by its stunning beauty. With its diverse landscapes, Malaysia offers a plethora of breathtaking views. So buckle up as we dive into this visual treat. First up, we plunge into the verdant heart of Malaysia, the Borneo rainforests. Imagine a realm where time seems to stand still, a place where nature's grandeur unfolds in its most primal form. This is the Borneo rainforest, a lush green wonder that paints the vibrant soul of Malaysia. It's here that you find yourself standing at the threshold of a world that's been in existence for over 130 million years, making it one of Earth's oldest rainforests. From the ground, the forest appears endless, a sea of towering trees and dense foliage, but the true magic lies within. A closer look reveals an intricate ecosystem teeming with life. It's home to a mind-boggling array of unique flora and fauna, orchids that paint the understory with their vibrant hues, carnivorous pitcher plants that add a dash of mystery, and the towering Dipterocarpaceae trees that dominate the canopy, all play their part in this symphony of life. And let's not forget the fauna, the beating heart of the forest. The Borneo rainforest is a haven for countless species, from the elusive clouded leopard to the charming orangutan, the man of the forest. Every rustle in the underbrush, every call echoing through the trees tells a tale of the remarkable biodiversity sheltered in these woods. To truly appreciate the grandeur of this forest, one must venture above the forest floor. The canopy walkway in Danam Valley offers just that, an opportunity to walk among the treetops. As you traverse this walkway suspended high above the forest floor, you get a bird's eye view of the forest. It's a world seen by the hornbills and the gibbons, a world that hums with the whispers of the wind and the rustle of leaves. The Borneo rainforest is more than just a forest. It's a living, breathing testament to the power of nature, an oasis of biodiversity, a kaleidoscope of life that continues to evolve and thrive. It's a journey into the heart of the wilderness, a journey that leaves you with a sense of awe and reverence. Truly, the Borneo rainforests are a testament to the wild beauty that Malaysia holds. From the lush rainforests, we now set sail to the coastal wonderland of Langkawi. A cluster of 99 islands on Malaysia's west coast, Langkawi is a treasure trove of natural beauty that leaves one in awe. Imagine a canvas painted with the most vibrant hues of blue and green. That's Langkawi for you. The crystal-clear waters of the Andaman Sea gently kiss the sun-kissed beaches, creating a mesmerizing symphony of waves. From Pantai Kenang's lively beachside atmosphere to Tanjung Ru's serene seclusion, Langkawi's beaches offer something for everyone. Now let's take a virtual ascent to the heights of the Sky Bridge. Suspended at 700 meters above sea level, it offers a panoramic view that is nothing short of breathtaking. The lush greenery of the rainforest meets the azure sea, punctuated by the dramatic peaks of the islands. The sight is a visual feast that encapsulates the essence of Langkawi's alluring beauty. The magic of Langkawi doesn't stop at its stunning beaches and mesmerizing views. The island is also home to the unique Langkawi Geopark. Here, a journey through time awaits, as the geopark is a testament to some 550 million years of our planet's history. The magnificent Machinchang Cambrian Geoforest Park stands as a proud relic of the Cambrian period, showcasing unique rock formations and a diverse range of flora and fauna. Its geological significance is not just a matter of scientific interest, but also a testament to the island's timeless charm. The Kilim Karst Geoforest Park, another gem within the geopark, is a labyrinth of caves, mangroves, and karstic hills that invite exploration. It's an enchanting world where the Earth's past and present converge, offering a unique blend of natural wonder and geological marvel. Langkawi is more than just a destination. It's an experience that remains etched in the heart of every traveler. Its captivating scenery, coupled with its rich geological history, makes it a place like no other. Langkawi truly is a coastal paradise, don't you think? Leaving the coast behind, we ascend to the serene tea gardens of Cameron Highlands. Imagine a landscape of rolling hills, carpeted in a blanket of emerald green, a breathtaking spectacle. These are the tea plantations of Cameron Highlands. Stretching as far as the eye can see, the tea plants gently sway with the cool mountain breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that resonates with the tranquil ambience of the highlands. The Cameron Highlands, known for its cool climate, is a refreshing contrast to the tropical heat of the lowlands. The year-round temperature here hovers around a pleasant 20 degrees Celsius, providing the perfect environment for tea cultivation. The crisp air, coupled with the scent of fresh tea leaves, creates an atmosphere so invigorating, it's as though nature itself is serving up a cup of its finest brew. But the tea gardens are not the only attraction here. The highlands are also home to terraced flower gardens, their vibrant colours and fragrant blooms adding an extra layer of charm to the landscape. From roses to chrysanthemums, the flower gardens are a riot of colours, their beauty accentuated by the verdant backdrop of the tea plantations. As day breaks over the highlands, the sunrise paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, casting a warm glow over the tea gardens. It's a sight to behold, the picturesque view of the sun rising over the tea gardens, a scene that's as rejuvenating as the morning cup of tea. The Cameron Highlands, with its tea gardens, cool climate and flower terraces, is more than a getaway. It's an experience. It's about slowing down to appreciate the beauty of nature, about immersing oneself in the peaceful rhythm of the tea gardens, and about savouring the simple joy of a perfect cup of tea. A visit to Cameron Highlands is like stepping into a lush green painting, absolutely mesmerising. Finally, we descend from the highlands to the vibrant cityscape of Kuala Lumpur, a metropolis that dances to the rhythm of modernity while holding hands with tradition. Its skyline, a testament to its progress, is punctuated by the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. These are not just buildings, they are symbols of Malaysia's growth, standing tall at 452 meters, each with 88 stories of gleaming steel and glass. But Kuala Lumpur doesn't just reach for the sky, it thrives on the ground too. The city's heart beats in its bustling street markets. The aroma of sizzling satay, the chatter of vendors, the vibrancy of colours, the harmony of diverse cultures, all merge into a sensory symphony that is uniquely Kuala Lumpur. And then, there's the Kuala Lumpur Tower, a soaring beacon that offers a panoramic view of this dynamic city. From its observation deck, the city stretches out like a living canvas, painted with buildings, parks, and the meandering Klang River. Day or night, the view is a spectacle, a kaleidoscope of life in motion. This city is not just a place, it's an experience. It's the thrilling rush of a metropolis, the warmth of a community, and the charm of a culture steeped in history. It's a cityscape that tells 1,000 stories, each one as captivating as the last. Kuala Lumpur, a city that beautifully blends the modern with the traditional. And that, dear travellers, brings us to the end of our Malaysian journey. We've traversed verdant rainforests, coastal wonderlands, blooming tea gardens, and vibrant cityscapes. There's so much more to see, to explore, to appreciate in this world of ours. Why not start with these breathtaking spots in Malaysia? So, where should we travel next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until our next journey, stay curious and keep exploring.